Tiger, I catch you and your ex at that diner, I'ma psych it, cause your baby mama gonna get robbed in the future. That's Black China.
Hold on, you ain't even gotta get that violent. This is just Lil Wayne's stepkid. He was signed to Young Money, but that's not the only thing young that he mess with.
I mean, but God, but I'm saying, check this. I don't really want to know about this and this, but when you and your girl go on trips, do she gotta sign a permission slip?
Hold on, no wait, that's true. I mean, cause we do know within teens you get it in. You gonna be at her senior prom looking like a senior citizen.
Fresh off the Wild Style, this guy.
Yeah.
With his alter ego right there.
You know how Penny had Lil Penny. This is CJ. Jr.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Shouted just cold like the heat don't work. She independent, you be falling on the budget. She riding in the fly, so I'm with all the shit that you like. I'm with all the shit that you like.
Oh, the Aventador, crash. That shit suck.
That shit suck, really. Give a fuck about your feelings. Give a fuck about your feelings. Give a fuck about your feelings.
To New York, flight in about half an hour.
You see them green and white diamonds, boy, that's segregation. Top naked engine revving, tell them niggas racing.
So high, and that bullshit don't bother me. Real niggas fall life. I'm out here living sucker free. I be so high, and that bullshit don't bother me. Real niggas fall life. I'm out here living sucker free.
I had this hustle all in my veins for so long. Have you ever felt that way? I feel like I wanna give it all away for so long.
Thank you.
You don't have any bags? Only like this cash bag?
Oh, it's okay. I'll take one. Yeah.
Okay, so it's right here.
Thank you. It's lit. We made it. Got my ride. Made it. Yeah, my ride's here. Yeah. This is no terminal flow. Listen to some classical music. Landed in the burbs, about an hour from the city, so out here. Thank you. All right. Oh man, Prop, it's been too long, man.
Monty, what up, boy?
Yo,
my nigga.
Yo, too long.
Come on, you in the building.
What? I ran down in my tears.
Tina Diaz, what up to the stage?
Look here, I've been ballin' for years. Tore my ACL, or the Derrick Rose. Free. Alright, ladies, let's get. I need you to keep rocking more Red Cafe. I wanna pump it up one time. Let's go. Drop that shit one more time.
deli flow. Yo, Prop, what we getting?
You know, the good old bacon, egg, and cheese, the hot babies and all that, chopped cheese and all that.
That New York shit.
Not gonna work.
99-cent Snapple. Everything's New York shit. Snapple. Best stuff on earth. New York. This is a bodega shit. Actually, it's not a bodega because it's Habibi, but
Yeah, you
there's
know.
a difference.
It's the
Bodega,
corner store.
Corner store,
You know what I mean?
New York shit. Stay tuned today, too.
It's going down.
Dow. Appreciate that. That's what you do after a long night, vampire life. Listen to some good music, eat some good food, go to sleep at 5, 6 in the morning. Then we do it all over again, man.
Everyone falls in love sometimes.
Not all the time, just sometimes.
Definitely not all the time.
But yeah, man, I'm gonna have my chopped cheese. Man, that deli stuff, man, I miss it. Go to sleep.